So now you might be on the fence. You might be trying to decide, should I turn my Note in and should I get the Galaxy Z Fold 3? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 reasons why you might want to trade that Note in and get what I consider to be the new Note replacement. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up? I'm Bertrand Tech Man, and every week I produce tech videos. I give tips and do tutorials showing you how to use tech to make your life just a little easier. Now, in this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you would want to trade in your phone and get the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So, the 5th reason why you might want to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is because of the speakers. Now, the speakers on this phone are amazing. They are very loud, they're crystal clear, and you have the speakers on the top as well as on the bottom. So you're getting a true stereo effect from the speakers. So, reason number 5 why you might want to buy it is because of the speakers. Reason number 4, Samsung DeX. Now I have a video on Samsung DeX up here somewhere. So you can click on it or you can go to the description and click on the link below. Now, Samsung DeX, to me, it changes the game. True. It might not be a full-fledged desktop experience or a full-fledged laptop experience, but it's the closest thing to perfection at this time. And it can be used very effectively and efficiently to do some productivity. No matter where you are, you can pop this bad boy out, hook it up to a monitor, or hook it up to some type of display screen, hook up some keyboards and a mouse, and boom, shakalaka, you're in there. So Samsung DeX is outstanding, and the 4th reason why you might want to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Reason number 3, multitask. Now I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it does not have dual screen capabilities. Yes, you can have your YouTube on at one time and do something else while you're looking at YouTube in a smaller screen, but no true multiple screen displays. This phone has 3. You can have 3 screens up at the same time. And because of the fact that the phablet is more than 7 inches, that means you got a lot of real estate to work with. You can be looking at YouTube and then do a Word document at the same time and then have your another application open too. So the number 3 reason why you would want to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is because of the multiple screens that you can have. You can truly multitask with this phone, and the screen is big enough to do it. Reason number 2. Now, I don't know about you, but I've always liked the Note. But the Note has always been limited as far as productivity is concerned. You can't necessarily do productivity on a Note like you would on a tablet. Well, this phablet, you can. Now my productivity using apps like OneNote or Adobe, Acrobat, or any type of app that, or even Microsoft Word, any program or app that I'm using, Excel, it doesn't matter. It's a whole lot better using it on this tablet because of the screen size. It's much larger and easier to navigate. So that's reason number 2, productivity. Reason number 1. Now, when we sit down and we pull our phones out, the display is the first thing that you see. The display is the thing that you're going to see throughout your entire experience with the phone. So it's important. This display is outstanding. The 120 hertz display with basically a super AMOLED display is beautiful. Not only does it make your experience better when you're doing productivity, but when you're viewing it, when you're viewing content, when you're watching YouTube or TikTok or whatever you watch, It's a whole lot better with that screen. Not only is it on your inner display, but it's also 120 hertz on your outer display. And that, to me, is the #1 reason why you would want to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 3. A link to the product will be in the description below. If you found any value in this quick 5 reasons why you want to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 3, help a tech brother out. Hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell, share, and comment. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. And remember, before you buy anything, always first, check it out.